Hello everyone, Chris Manshine, Product Manager here at Dakota. This week's product highlight focuses on the different ways that Marketplace helps users identify firms that currently have funds in the market. There are two primary ways to find this information, the first being Currently Fundraising and the second being new fund launches. On the homepage, navigating to Currently Fundraising presents you with a list of the 14 most recent funds that have been launched in the platform. This will be 14 of the most recent funds launched, along with a breakdown of the account who is raising the fund, the investment strategy to which the fund is tagged, and the asset class and sub-asset class tagged to the strategy. Moving over to the Fund Launches tab on the right side of the screen, navigating under the Private Funds tab, you will see the Fund Launches subtab. Here's where you can take things a step further. Powered by the Form D filings, the new Fund Launches tab provides a more research-driven view of what funds are in the market. These are newly identified fund products that our data team has confirmed are in the market and have fully profiled within Dakota Marketplace. The initial signal comes from Form D filings, which firms submit as a regulatory disclosure when they begin a private securities offering. New fund launches essentially bridges the gap between identifying that a filing exists and confirming that the fund has been fully researched and structured within Marketplace. It gives users a vetted, research-backed version of the signal, including complete information on the fund strategy, target size, structure, and other relevant details. If I wanted to see any private real estate funds, particularly in the real estate debt sub-asset class, I can go ahead and filter for that in the new Fund Launches tab. Here, you'll find the Form D filing that's being referenced for the strategy itself, the account, asset class, sub-asset class, date of first sale, total amount sold, total offering amount, the metro area of the account, and the total AUM of the account as well. For fundraisers, this information is especially valuable competitive intelligence. Understanding which peers are raising, how much they're targeting, and how their funds are structured can help users determine the right timing for their own launch and benchmark their terms against comparable funds. It can also help them identify allocators who are actively engaging with or investing in that strategy, giving fundraisers a clearer picture of where capital is moving in the market today. Hope this is helpful. Stay tuned for the next product highlight.